Like all Winsor & Newton graphic markers, the brush marker is twin-tipped. A brush nib to sketch and shade, and chisel tip for laying down bold colours and purposeful line work. Both of the nibs are great for calligraphy, letting you create stylish handwritten text. Texturise, dapple, hatch and swash. And Winsor & Newton brush markers let you blend colour into colour into colour. There's also a brush marker blender, which keeps colours wetter for longer, giving even more flexibility. By mixing on a plastic surface, you can take any colour smoothly onto your work with great coverage thanks to the translucency of the ink. You can even try using your Winsor & Newton ProMarkers to lay a base colour and brush marker to add bold, colourful, organic marks on top. Winsor & Newton bleed-proof marker paper is the perfect partner for your brush marker, easily experimenting without having to worry about colour bleed. Play with typography, form and brilliant pure colours. Push your creativity and try some of these methods for yourself.